In the beautiful Seychelles, this group called the Seychelles Tradition and Culture Foundation where FKS organized a micro-project called the Breadfruit Day where all the foods cooked were done in a traditional way using basically breadfruit and fish. Here the breadfruit, which grows in abundance on the islands, is normally picked off the trees using a bamboo attached to a sack. Another quicker way to pick the fruit is have someone climb the tree to pick the desired breadfruit and drop it down to someone on the ground who softens the landing by the use of a sack. The breadfruit is then tossed onto an open fire. Coconut husks are then added onto the fire, covering the fruit as a catalyst to intensify the temperature. This turns the breadfruits from green color to an ashy black, and that's when it's about baked and ready to be pulled out. Freshly caught fish is then seasoned and grilled on the open fire, and the smoke gives it an amazingly delicious taste.
Okay.
This is my first time here, so everything is quite interesting for me.
So you're here just for a few weeks?
Yeah, for a couple of weeks.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope you enjoy it. Enjoy the breadfruit and the grilled fish.
Yeah, awesome.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bon, là nous dans la cuisine. Pas la cuisine tant Dada, chef John avec Tessa, il en même. Assistant chef. Et nous avons un petit peu. Adobdou Fahen. Allez, wa fouille temps. Yes, of course. Of course.
Mon demi mon quitte là, hein. Il y a pas bien pour mon vitalé dans toutes les choses d'opinion qui maïs. Bon ça. La va manger. Après ça, toutes les choses OK.
Good, good.
Nous donnons poisson nous, hein. T'as l'air pour voir quelque chose.
T'as la bougon?
Oui. Là, lui même ça. Là, il y a un poisson là. Il y a du vin au bord.
Il y a du vin au bord. Pourquoi ça, il faut que tu peux voir qu'il finit.
Un Friyapen, la double Friyapen poisson salé, avec 5 kilos, un petit Friyapen bien doux. Maintenant, il n'y a pas de qui ou pour y aller acheter. Ok? 5 kilos de petit piment.
Interview là, qui vous peut faire, mademoiselle, qui vous peut faire pour Ok. Ah, vous êtes traditionnel. Ça passe pas isolé, vous avez poisson comme ça avant, fantastic. Okay.
What a better way to finish the sunset evening than with some music from some of the Seychelles' top musical artists like Patrick Timthorpe and Zournen Friyapen.